My name is Kamar Shiraz, and I'm the host of today's book launch ceremony. And I'm truly humbled and truly honored to be a part of this book launch ceremony. And I would like to thank each one of you for taking time out and coming here and becoming a part of this book launch. Along with me is my co-host, and I will be hosting in English language, and my co-host Basharat Fiaz Khan Saab, he's going to host in Urdu language. So we are going to have a balance of both languages because the book is written in English language, obviously. So with us are the distinguished speakers who are going to come here and they are going to speak about the book. So first of all, I would like to start off with the fact that I'm also a student of Sufism and Tasawwuf for the last 9 to 10 years. And over the years, I have realized that Sufism, or Tasawwuf also known as, is an aspect of our beloved religion that focuses not only on the literal meaning of our beloved religion, but also dwells deeper into the deeper meaning of the commandments and also of the sunnah of our Prophet, peace be upon him. So it's like the Sufism, also known as Tasawwuf, is an aspect or a perspective, I would like to call it. It's another different angle through which we see our religion. And it focuses on our inner self, the purification of our inner self. We also call it Tazkiyah Nafs. So it's like, puring our inner self. Like Iqbal said, immerse yourself in yourself, my forgetful one. खुदी में डूब जा गाफिल यही सरे जिंदगानी है निकल कर खलका शामो सहर से जावदां हो जा. In English, it's like immerse yourself in yourself, my forgetful one. This is the secret of life. Come out of the fetters of evening and morning and become immortal. So this is, I believe, the definition that I would like to give to Tasawwuf or Sufism. And all the Sufis who have come throughout these years and all those who are in this current era, the Tasawwuf Sufism relates the deeper meaning of our religion with the current era that we are going through. So for example, there may many be lessons in our holy book, the Quran, but how can we relate all the meanings with the current era that we are going through? Only Tasawwuf has the answer. And the book that is being launched today, I would like to say, is a masterpiece in itself. The reason I'm saying is because writing a book is in itself is a very, very challenging task. And all the authors who are here with me would agree with me that yes, it is a very challenging task to write a book. It's been 5 years I'm trying to write a book and I'm still thinking, And here we are that we have a book in our hands, Sufism Defined, written by a person who is in himself a masterpiece. And that is itself a big, it's something to celebrate because he's only 22 years old. And when I look at him, I get an inspiration. And today, all of you, including me here, we are witnessing a revolution. The reason I say this is because today marks the beginning of revolution of inculcating Sufism in our young generation. A lot of young people are going to be inspired by this book, I believe. So I would say hats off to Khwaja Osama Zishan Bhai for not only writing a book, but writing a very simple, in its simplest form, and very straightforward and very to the point. It covers almost all the aspects of Sufism Tasawwuf. So I'm sure when you are going to write the book, you are going to enjoy it thoroughly.